this is Feemio. We are a leading manufacturer of lunch boxes, as known as bento box or food containers. Various colors and sizes are available. Our lunch box including 2 compartments. Yes, 3 compartments, 4 compartments. It including for all soups. 5 compartments. It also for a bowl for soups. Also, our lid including tableware. Yes, tableware. Our lunch boxes are durable and safe for food. We can also customize according to your brand imaging, your logo, or your special needs. You can contact us if you like our product. Thank you. Have a nice day.